Yo, what's good, people? It's Cactus. I'm here with the one and only BKay.
Yo, guys.
My guy LLB.
What's good?
So we just got to BKay studio. Right now we're just gonna cook up a few beats. No set plan, no challenges or anything. We'll keep it casual. And yeah, let's get into it.
So, I don't know what kind of beat to make. You decide.
I haven't done like an orchestral one in a while, so I might start with something like that.
Yeah. Man's got my meal as well. I'm just hungry, boy. Let me taste this drink.
No.
I like this one.
That sounds hard.
I'm hungry today, bro. Fuck.
I'm just gonna try as like a B section to like render it, flip it, reverse it.
Oh, nice.
Sometimes it just sounds sick with these orchestral ones. Might not work as well for this one. Maybe we'll just keep the piano.
No, keep it. I like the way it is right now. So.
These violins are sick. Have you used these before?
No, I don't think
These
so.
Chris Hine ones. I don't really think it needs anything else melody-wise, does it?
No. I think the melody's fine. came from gym. Oh,
You went this morning.
No. You know, yesterday I was banging biceps with my boy. So basically, I have to get the dumbbell. So some guy that we know, he was doing a workout. So we had to grab a dumbbell, put it behind the back, and what it's doing is fixing your posture.
Oh yeah.
So you have to get the dumbbell and like extend your arms.
Oh, I got you.
Oh, with the dumbbell.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, literally.
Yeah.
And what's doing, it's not only working with a bicep, but it's also working with the back.
Yeah.
Oh,
Body.
shit, yeah.
So.
I feel like all producers need that. Well,
Yeah.
that hunched over all day.
Yeah, you know, just say, because
Do
bro,
some
if you don't work on,
stretches
if
out.
you don't work on our backs from now, bro, by the
Honestly,
time we're in
yeah,
our 40s,
so bad.
our
Yeah,
backs are gonna
literally.
be messed up. But
So
our backs are
bad.
gonna be bad, bro. We're gonna have problems. We're gonna be the
Yeah,
uncles that walking
Yeah,
like this.
yeah,
We're gonna be on the sticks.